What is up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is TJ, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Power Extra batteries, and this is going to be for the G3, G4, G5, and the G9. I personally bought these for the G5 on my camera, so as we open this up, we are going to find the packaging, and then we're gonna have two batteries, and I absolutely needed a double port for these because if you're a vlogger or somebody that shoots a lot of video, you know that you will burn through batteries. Battery here. Okay, so now we have all of this stuff laid out. It looks like we have a power cable, and we also have a nice microfiber cleaning cloth, which I'm always happy when a company gives me these because I can never have enough. Cleaning my lens and anything else that you need to use this for camera stuff, it's perfectly great. So a lot of people may say that these batteries don't last as long as the actual Panasonic batteries, and that may be true, but I've ran these on a bunch of different cameras, and honestly, I've never been able to tell the difference. If I do, then I would say that these are probably about 90 to 95% as good as the other ones. I've never had a problem with the Power Extras, and honestly, when I'm going out for a shoot and I have a Power Extra charged and also a Panasonic, I really don't prefer or care. I just grab whatever one is closest to me, so I feel like that speaks enough volume that I don't have any issues with these. And I've been using the Power Extra batteries on my G7 for probably 4 years, and they still hold a fantastic charge, so honestly, I had to go and get myself another set. To charge these, all you have to do is just push down on here, and we're gonna plug this in. It's gonna use a USB adapter that's gonna plug into something like on the back of your phone charger. It doesn't come with that, not sure why, but you do have to plug this to a USB. It might be able to just plug straight into your computer. That may work just as good because I have a power bank and that'll work fine. But this is what you get. It's a power stand, and I just want to show you, it doesn't have anything that plugs straight into an outlet. I personally like that option too, but you can see me holding this upside down. Nothing's gonna come out, and these are locked in place 100%. So I highly recommend these batteries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.